Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday. So the chart you're seeing is 7-minute chart. Yesterday the price opened here 8:30 and the price consolidated. You could see the price found resistance around 8:32, and you could see there was a sharp drop towards 8:20 and a clear bounce back, and the price finally closing near 8:26. So we can say that it's a sideways consolidation dominated by the downtrend. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 426 or just below that. So what we can do today, for the last few weeks, you could see that the price was dominated by the sellers, and what we feel is around 820 the price can take some support. So we are going to take amount of risk in nickel market by going for buying in nickel, maintaining 815 as the stop loss, expecting that the price can give a bounce back. Maybe towards 842 is the expected level. You can book profit and exit from the market. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading. Take care. Bye.